We are here in North Norfolk at Holkham Hall, a beautiful stately home and nature reserve, to check out one of our walks.
The first and most important stop on our walk is the adventure playground. And after that there'll be a spot of deer spotting and then a quick trip to the lake. The play park is the best place for monkeying around.
This is going to be so fun!
Once you get to the top of the climbing wall, up in the trees, you can run along all of the bridges. The wobbly ones too. You might even find some puddles. The playground was really fun, but there are some really special furry friends to go and see.
Look, there's the deer!
Deer are mammals, which means they have milk from their mummies, much like you would have had when you were a baby. And on a cold day like today, they will be nice and warm with all their lovely, lovely fur on. I could do with that as well. I'm quite chilly today. Mammals come in all shapes and sizes. They can be teeny weeny like a mouse, or they can be really, really big like elephants. But we have to be really quiet because they're quite shy. We don't want to scare them. Shh. Next time you're out on a walk, why don't you see if you can spot a mammal now that you know what they are?
At Holkham Hall there is plenty of space to run around. Just be careful of the stinging nettles. One of our favourite parts about our visit was all the dead wood lying around. It was an even better climbing frame than the one at the playground.
Norfolk is known to have an awful lot of different types of bird life. Now if you come down to the lake you can see some here, and if you can't see them you can definitely hear them.
There are geese, moorhens, swans and ducks on the lake. Let's go and take a closer look. What a lovely feather! What was your favourite part?
Probably the part where I got wet. Doing pretend cannibals. We're just doing this. Oh, in the pond was my favourite bit. Playing where we was at the lake. All of it.